Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Best Gaming Phone $999 armed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus. It's easy to forget about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Oh, sure, the $1,299 Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is impossible to overlook, with its 6.9-inch adaptive 120Hz display, meticulous glass and metal design and absurd triple-camera bump. But the regular Note 20 has none of those things, leading some to dismiss it, perhaps unfairly, as a cut-rate afterthought in Samsung's roster of premium handsets. Galaxy Note 20 vs Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let it be known I was among those guilty of writing off the Note 20 when it was unveiled. However, while the $999 Note 20 offers fewer of those head-turning features than its pricier sibling, it's appropriately less expensive as well, by $300. That's not a small chunk of change these days. And ultimately, if you're buying one of Samsung's new Notes to get things done more efficiently, the cheaper Note 20 gives up nothing on the Ultra. You still get the same powerful Snapdragon 865 processor, versatile S Pen and Samsung's latest and greatest productivity-minded software, from the new Notes app to wireless DeX mode projection. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, Release Date and Price. The Galaxy Note 20 costs $999 and only comes in one configuration, with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of non-expandable storage. For reference, the Note 20 Ultra, which packs expandable storage as well as a larger display and battery, among other features, starts at $1,299. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, Design. Let's get this out of the way first. Yes, the Galaxy Note 20 has a plastic back instead of a glass one. No, it doesn't matter. Samsung has done a great job of emulating the fit, finish and appearance of matte glass with the Note 20's matte plastic, which the company dubs reinforced polycarbonate. In fact, the only way you'd be able to tell it isn't glass is by tapping it with your fingernail. The resulting sound is softer and more hollow, as it tends to be with plastic. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, Display. It's hard not to be a little underwhelmed by the Galaxy Note 20's display, at least on paper. This 6.7-inch 2400 by 1080 panel has but a conventional 60Hz refresh rate, which is disappointing considering you can find 90Hz screens in devices that cost as little as half what the Note 20 does, like the OnePlus Nord. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, Camera. While the Galaxy Note 20 lacks the 108-megapixel primary sensor and 50x space zoom capability of the pricier Note 20 Ultra, its triple-lens camera stack still produces excellent results all around. Most of the time, you'll be shooting with the Note 20's f/1.8, 12MP main lens. That camera is flanked by a 64MP telephoto with 3x lossless zoom, not optical zoom, mind you, it's just a sensor crop, as well as another 12MP optic for ultra-wide shots. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, S Pen. While the S Pen itself hasn't changed much since last year's Note, what you can do with it has. That's thanks to the new One UI 2.5 update to Samsung's Android front end. The most obvious addition in One UI 2.5 is Air Action Navigation. While holding the S Pen out in front of the Note 20, you can press down the button on the stylus while moving in an upside-down V-shaped motion to return home. Do this in a left or right motion, and you'll call up recent apps or move backward. Zigzag downward to capture a screenshot. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, Performance. Armed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus, the Galaxy Note 20 tears through any and all tasks, from running demanding games to taking notes while streaming YouTube or music from Spotify. It'll surely finish as one of 2020's most powerful Android phones when all is said and done, even if 2021 is already starting off strong. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Review, Battery Life and Charging. While the Galaxy Note 20 concedes more than a few desirable features to the Note 20 Ultra, battery capacity thankfully isn't one of them. This device comes with a 4,300 mAh unit, which isn't far off the Ultra's 4,500 mAh capacity. The Note 20's battery also charges equally as fast, with the included 25W adapter. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 review, specs. Price, $999. OS, Android 10 with One UI 2.5. Display, 6.7-inch AMOLED, 2400 by 1080, 60 Hz. CPU, Snapdragon 865 Plus. RAM, 8 GB. Storage, 128 GB, not expandable. Rear camera, triple lens, 12MP wide, f/1.8, 64MP telephoto with 3x lossless zoom, f/1.8, 12MP ultra-wide, f/2.2. Front camera, 10MP, f/2.2. Battery, 4,300 mAh. Size, 6.36 by 2.96 by 0.32 inches. Weight, 6.77 ounces.